Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Job Openings. So today we have a couple of job openings which is for absolute freshers, right? If you're fresher, this opening is for you, right? So let me quickly start. So this is the first job opening that we have, which is for VAPT Analyst L1, right? And before proceeding, I request you to just read out all those things because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? So this is a L1, which is for the freshers. Zero experience, years of experience is required, but 0 to 2, like if you're freshers, you can join. The other preferable certificates, if you have this, will be a plus point. The are knowledge which is preferred, and the other also extra thing which is required. Right? This is a header based job, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And this is the contact number. Probably you can see right here. Let me try once again. So you can see this is the contact number on which if you're not getting any response from this mail ID, then you can drop a message on that one, right? So this is what we have for the freshers. Next one is someone is hiring for the SMT group. They're hiring for cybersecurity IT trainer, which is again absolute freshers, right? Next one is SSL Wireless is hiring for cybersecurity engineer, probably freshers or 1 year's experience is required. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next one is someone is hiring for VAPT intern, remote. This is a cybersecurity based job. You can work from home, WSH. This is they're seeking for VAPT intern who should have knowledge of vulnerability assessment, pen testing of network and application. The other responsibilities and the other requirements, right? Preferences will be hands-on experience on cybersecurity labs and all those things. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and you can get a response on that mail itself, right? Nextra is hiring for cybersecurity junior cybersecurity analyst, 0 to 4 years of experience is required. This is mail ID careers at nexastra.com, right? Next one is again VAPT intern, which is in Bangalore, and this is a immediate joining. This is on-site work. Notice period is they want immediate joiner. This is a full-time job, and the other is qualification which is required, and the other requirement, right? All those VAPT knowledge is required. There are tools which is very basics to know, right? And this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? So this is what they have. Industry in which they're working is all those things, right? Now that's what we have today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you are new to this channel. You can subscribe. By the way, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, check out this URL. If you want to learn about security operations center, just check out this URL. That's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.